Hello, and welcome back to the Review Scout. This is a place where we go beyond the flashy ads and the big promises, digging into programs and tools that claim to change the way you work and live online. I take a close look at them, break everything down, and give you the real picture so you can decide if it's worth your time. Today, I've got something interesting to share. It's called the Affiliate Automation Academy, and if you've been looking for a way to build income online, without spending every waking hour creating content or chasing customers, this one may catch your attention. So, what exactly is the Affiliate Automation Academy? At its core, it's a training program that shows you how to build what they call an affiliate automation business. Now, that phrase might sound complicated, but the idea behind it is really about making things simpler, not harder. Instead of needing a website, a product, or expensive ads, the system revolves around using Instagram in a very specific way. The goal is to set up an account, post ultra-short viral videos, and let the algorithm push your content out to large audiences. From there, people see your profile, click your links, and that's where the commissions come in. The interesting part is that these aren't just small commissions. The system is designed to promote high-ticket affiliate products, which means you're aiming for sales that pay you $1,000 or more each time. That's a lot different from a usual small-scale affiliate marketing, where you might be making $10 or $20 per sale. Instead of grinding for dozens of small wins, the idea here is that a single conversion could equal what some people make in an entire week of regular work. Now, here's what makes the model appealing to beginners. You don't need to appear on camera. You don't need to create original videos every day. And you don't have to become some sort of Instagram celebrity. The videos you'll be using are just 4 seconds long, and the system actually teaches you how to duplicate existing content that's already working. That's how you get traction fast without spending hours editing clips or scripting content. And because the videos are so short, people tend to watch them all the way through. That boosts your engagement rate, which tells Instagram's algorithm to keep showing your content to more and more people. The creator of the program, Ryan, emphasizes that the entire daily workload can be as little as 20 minutes. That's really the hook here. A lot of people want to build an online income stream, but the idea of spending 3, 4, or 5 hours a day on top of a job or family commitments feels impossible. This model is pitched as a way to cut through all of that. Do the setup once. Spend a little time each day posting content, and then let the system work for you. It's important to talk about what you get inside the program. The Affiliate Automation Academy includes a full masterclass that walks you through the entire process, step by step. You'll learn how to pick the right affiliate offers, and they guide you toward evergreen niches that can make money long term. They also give you a strategy for posting content, so you're not just guessing what works. The posting schedule, engagement tactics, and traffic methods are all laid out. One of the highlights is their viral video duplication system. Instead of telling you to constantly come up with new ideas, they show you how to take videos that are already performing well and adapt them for your account. This way, you're not reinventing the wheel, and you're leaning on what the platform already likes. It's almost like surfing a wave that's already rolling rather than trying to create the wave yourself. Another key part of the system is automation. They provide instructions on setting up messaging tools and automation scripts that allow you to follow up with people who show interest. Normally, responding to every message and keeping track of conversations would be exhausting, but the automation takes care of a lot of that. That's what makes it possible to manage everything in such a short daily time frame. And of course, they're adding a big stack of bonuses to make the offer more attractive. Some of these include a walkthrough of a $10,000 workday, so you can see exactly how the system looks in action. A commission doubling strategy that shows you how to push earnings higher with high-ticket offers, and access to a private group where you can connect with other people building the same type of business. They even give Canva templates, case studies showing how complete beginners earn their first $1,000 in under a month, and advanced training for scaling to higher levels using paid ads once you're ready. The value they put on everything combined is close to $10,000, but the launch promotion price is just $27. That's one of the selling points. They're keeping the price low initially to gather more testimonials before bumping it back up. Whether the regular price actually rises or not, it's safe to say that $27 is on the lower end for a program with this much material. A lot of affiliate marketing courses out there start at hundreds of dollars and go into the thousands, so this one is designed to be very accessible. Now, let's take a moment to be realistic. The system is simple, but that doesn't mean money will fall from the sky with no effort. The upfront setup takes some work, and like anything else online, consistency matters. You'll still need to follow the plan, post daily, and pay attention to what's working. Instagram can also change its rules or algorithm, so flexibility is part of the game. But compared to many other methods, this one removes a lot of complexity that usually makes beginners quit. One part of the sales page that stood out to me was the student stories. They showcase people like Lucy, Ashley, and Zishan, who all got results fairly quickly. Lucy earned her first four-figure commission within 5 days. Ashley made $8,000 in less than a month. And Zishan made over $100,000 in 8 weeks. Those are inspiring examples, but I want to stress that results will vary. Not everyone is going to see that kind of income right away, and some may need longer to build traction. But the takeaway is that the system is structured in a way that can deliver real results if it's applied consistently. The creator himself has a pretty relatable backstory. Ryan talks about being broke, working as a martial arts instructor, living with his grandparents, and struggling to make ends meet. He eventually found his way into online business, made millions, but then burned out when the pressure of scaling with staff and overheads got too heavy. That's when he simplified everything and came up with this leaner model. He even moved to Bali and rebuilt his business around freedom instead of stress. That personal story gives some context to why the Affiliate Automation Academy emphasizes low time commitment and simplicity. It's built around avoiding the traps of burnout. So, is the Affiliate Automation Academy worth it? Here's my take. If you're someone who wants to start earning online, but you don't want to spend months learning how to build complicated funnels or running expensive ad campaigns, this program provides a very straightforward path. It's affordable, the steps are clearly laid out, and the focus on automation means you're not glued to your phone all day. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it could be a sustainable way to build an income stream if you follow it properly. To sum it all up, the Affiliate Automation Academy is offering a low-cost, low-time, high-ticket affiliate business model that doesn't require advanced skills or huge investments. The trade-off is that you need consistency and patience, but the system is designed to make things as simple as possible for beginners. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or someone who just wants an extra income stream without giving up their evenings and weekends, this could be worth checking out. That brings us to the end of this review here on the Review Scout. I hope this breakdown gave you the clarity you needed about what the Affiliate Automation Academy is really about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. And if you're curious to see more about the program, you'll find a link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next review.